Hi, welcome to Radiant's Minds Academy. In this video, we will find the value of x using the Lambert W function. So, the equation given to us is 2 to the power of x plus x equal to 20. Now, the first step is to move x to the right hand side. So, we have that 2 to the power of x is equal to 20 minus x. Now, let's divide both sides of the equation by 2 to the power of x. So we divide the left-hand side by 2 to the power of x and divide the right-hand side by 2 to the power of x. So 2 to the power of x can cancel out 2 to the power of x. So we have that 1 is equal to 20 minus x divided by 2 to the power of x. I can also express the right-hand side as 1 is equal to 20 minus x, all enclosed in a bracket, multiplied by 2 to the power of negative s. At this point, I can have that 1 is equal to minus x plus 20 multiplied by 2 to the power of negative x. Now, at this point, to make the index of 2, which is negative x, to take the form of minus x plus 20, we have to multiply our equation by 2 to the power of 20. So the equation becomes 2 to the power of 20 multiplied by 1 is equal to minus x plus 20 multiplied by 2 to the power of negative x times 2 to the power of 20. So the equation becomes 2 to the power of 20 is equal to minus x plus 20 multiplied by 2 to the power of minus x plus 20. Now, recall that for us to apply the Lambert W function, our equation must take the form x multiplied by e to the power of x. So at this point, we can manipulate and we have that, but we know that e to the power of ln 2 is equal to 2. Now, we can apply this into our equation. So we have that 2 to the power of 20 is equal to minus x plus 20 multiply by e to the power of ln 2, open a bracket, multiply by minus x plus 20. So now, before we can apply the Lambert W function, let us multiply our equation by ln 2. So we have that ln 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 20 is equal to minus x plus 20 multiplied by ln 2 multiplied by e to the power of ln 2, open bracket, minus x plus 20. Now, we can rearrange the right-hand side. The equation becomes minus x plus 20 multiplied by ln 2 multiplied by e, open bracket, minus x plus 20 multiplied by ln 2 equal to ln 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 20. Now, at this point, the coefficient of e is equal to the index of E. Now, the left-hand side of our equation now has the form x multiplied by E to the power of x. At this point, we can now apply a Lambert W function. So applying the Lambert W function, we have that W open bracket minus x plus 20 multiplied by ln 2 E to the power of minus x plus 20 multiplied by ln 2 close the bracket equal to W to the power of 20 multiplied by ln 2. So the left-hand side reduces to minus x plus 20 multiplied by ln 2 equal to W open bracket 2 to the power of 20 ln 2. So to obtain the value of x, we have that we divide both sides of the equation by ln 2. So we have divided by ln 2 and also divide by ln 2. So ln 2 can cancel out ln 2. So we have that minus x plus 20 is equal to W in brackets 2 to the power of 20 multiplied by ln 2 divided by ln 2. So if you simplify, x is equal to 20 minus W, open your brackets, 2 to the power of 20 multiplied by ln 2, all divided by ln 2. Now, you can leave your answer like this, or you can use calculator. At this point, we have obtained the value of s using the Lambert W function. If you know you found value in the video, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.